On today's adventure, we are checking out my new Mueller Slicer and Dicer. Ooh, very exciting. It's going to make cooking a lot easier. Let's check out what's in the box. Okay, I got the Mueller right here. So let's see how we even get in here. Do this. Let's do it up like this. Flip it around, maybe easier this way. Flip that down. Got this thingy. We've got, looks like a top part with instructions. Definitely will help. Ooh, the instruction manual. So what do I have here? Safety handle. Nice. Cool beans. We've got the lid right here. Awesome. And, a bunch of stuff. This attachment. We got the slicer and dicers, it looks like right here. See? Whoa, wow. There's a lot. If I can get through this plastic. Lucy, are you helping? Oh yeah, I got a bunch of shredders and stuff. Cool. It's not really sitting in this thing very well. Ooh. Got this. Got this one. Oh, I can slice cheese and all this other cool stuff. Nice. We got this one. And we got one more. If I can get this in properly. Pry loose. We got this. Cool. Nice little attachments here. Got this brush. I don't even know what this is. I will tell you. It's all in the booklet. If I can go that page I was at. What do we got here? Some sort of brusher. I have no idea what that is. Boom. And then here, this is a very nice set. Sweet. We have, right here, we have the large dicer, or the large great slicer. We got a dicer. Looks like the small one, and we got the large one. Awesome. Well, let's get some stuff together and start chopping vegetables. Yes! Let's get this thing tested. Alrighty. So I got part of an onion right here. Got this. We are going to be using the small dicer. So I believe all I have to do is just go like this, push down, and voila! Look at that. Very cool. See if I can do it with these other pieces. Can I get it in there? Kind of got it. But yeah, very, very good. Definitely got some onions in there. Awesome. It does work pretty good. You do have to cut it kind of small. It does get kind of caught in there a little bit, but yeah, not too shabby at all. Very, very cool. I will clean this up and we will test out another attachment. Heck yeah, this thing is pretty damn cool. Alright, I got myself the other half of the onion. Let's get some slices in there. How about that? Okay, sweet. Let's see how well it did. Ooh. Oh, perfect for sandwiches. Look at that nice thin cut. Onions. Oh my gosh. Heck yeah. Let's see what other goodies we can get into. You know, it sounds good. I got a bunch of onions now. There we go. A nice cucumber salad. I haven't had a cucumber salad in a while. Let's try this with the cucumber. Not as easy as the onion, but it is cutting it pretty good. All right, let's see what we have. Nice grated, shredded cucumbers. Yummy. My gosh, this thing is so cool. Only issue is sometimes the vegetables get stuck in that little crack. Alright, well let's change this one out. Let's put a different blade in. Let's go back to the blade we had before. Easy to change them out. You just kind of slide them in like so. Alright, let's take this and slide it. You gotta watch your fingers though. Ow, let's see how these came out. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Maybe do a tomato next, huh? That'd be good. Alright. I'm gonna throw this in there so I don't cut myself. Awesome. This thing is magic, man. This thing is so good. Look, I got cucumbers now. Let's go grab a tomato. This is very exciting, very addictive. I love it. Alright, I got myself a tomato. Let's do this. Well, it's cutting them, but I don't trust myself, so we're gonna do this. Use this thingy. Well, it's not working yet. Tomato. You see, I'm holding my hand as high away from the blade as possible, but a couple more slices, I think we will be good. Juicy. Let's see what we have in here. Nice. Ooh, nice mess. But look at this. Thin cut tomato. That is delicious. Heck yeah. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do next. I think I have a potato. Let's have some fun with the potato, huh? Did somebody say potatoes? I got potato here. And we're gonna try this pretty large. Let's see how easy this is. Ooh, make this jump. Let's see. Oh, very nice. Get another one. Yes. Now, what am I gonna do with all this food? I haven't figured it out yet. I'm just having fun showcasing this awesome thing. This one may be harder. And voila, let's check out the potatoes. Oh, those are perfect. Just absolutely perfectly cubed and ready to go. This thing is amazing. I highly recommend it. No more having to cut everything with damn knives. You just have this thing. It does it all. How many are in here? It's, I think, an 8 one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in here. If you guys can see the box, I hope you can. But this thing is absolutely freaking amazing. I can't wait to use this when I do some future meals and stuff. But right now, I just wanted to showcase this to you guys and show you. Just kind of test it myself and see how well it works. This thing's amazing. I love it. Highly recommend the Mueller Pro Series Multi-Chopper and Slicer. You guys need this thing in your life. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.